Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to upgrade and fix DSTV decoders can't receive signals due to the changes that happened on the DSTV satellite, which makes some decoders not be able to scan for channels. This method can be used to solve most firmware issues you can face with DSTV decoders.
Stop asking yourself how to do this after watching this tutorial. Let's start. Please don't miss any step.
Let's start by configuring our decoder model as 8S. Press OK for English. Look for satellite E36C. But on the available satellite, there is no E36C. Let's use this E36B. Go to Manual Setup. Changing the type of LNB depends on the type you have. I'm using a universal LNB, I don't need to change it, but if you have a different LNB, like a smart LNB, change it here. Once all is done, you will see the signal indicator here. That means that you are ready to scan for channels. But in my case, I'm not receiving any signal to this decoder, I can't go any further. Because satellite E36B is no longer working, the decoder will not be able to receive any signal from satellite E36B. You have to switch to E36C. Here is the question: how do I switch to a satellite that is not in the available list on my decoder? But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to fix this using a USB. This can also be done on a decoder when you need to fix a decoder that isn't turning on, upgrade the decoder firmware, and address other issues related to the firmware. Let's start by formatting the USB. Plug the USB into your computer. Right-click on the USB. Go to Format. Format the disk as FAT32. Confirm that you want to format the USB. You also need decoder firmware if you don't have it. Ask your nearest DSTV office, they will give you an original copy of the firmware. Now go to the decoder file you downloaded and open it. These are files for all DSTV decoder models. To identify the model of your decoder, always written on the front of the decoder. Am working on the Zapper Model 8S. Let extract the file. Select where to save it. Click OK. Go to the location where you saved your file. Open it and copy all the files in the folder you just extracted. Copy them into the USB. Now the USB is ready. Eject the USB from your computer. Take the decoder. Remove the power cable from the decoder. Insert the USB flash disk into the USB port of the decoder. Insert the power cable into the decoder. the decoder will start taking the software upgrade. Do not remove the power cable when the decoder shows 100%, as it could be in intermittent upgrade state. When the upgrade is complete, the decoder will reboot on its own and show an error, indicating that the software version on the USB is the same as the decoder. Once you see this message, error, remove the power cable from the decoder. Remove the USB flash disk from the decoder. Then insert the power cable back into the decoder. The upgrade is now complete. Now, let's check if the missing satellite E36C is available in the list. Here, the satellite E36C is now available. Press OK. Go to Manual Setup. Here, the signal indicator is working. Press OK to scan the channel. As you see, I am now able to go to the last step of configuration, and the decoder is scanning for channels. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.